In today's video, I will walk you through how to add store policies and legal pages on Shopify. To get started, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. After opening Settings, scroll down and select Policies. This section contains the policy pages that you can create and manage for your store. Once you're inside the policy section, you'll see several policy categories available. These may include your return and refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, shipping policy, legal notice, and other store policies. To begin creating a policy, click on the policy you want to set up. For example, you can start with the return and refund policy. Some policy sections include templates that you can use. If a template is available, insert it into the editor. After the template appears, go through the content carefully and make any necessary changes. Review all of the information and update any details that apply to your business. Once you are satisfied with the content, click Publish. Repeat the same process for any additional policies you want to create. Open the policy, insert the template if available, review the content, make your changes, and then publish the policy. If you would like to create a separate page for a policy, return to the policy content after you have updated it. Select all of the text and copy it. Next, go to the Pages section of your Shopify admin and click Add Page. Enter a title for the page. For example, if you're creating a Terms of Service page, enter Terms of Service as the page title. After adding the title, paste the copied policy content into the content section of the page. Make sure the page visibility is enabled, then click Save. Once the page has been created, you can add it to one of your store menus. To do this, go to Content and then select Menus. Choose the menu where you want the page to appear. You can select the main menu or any other menu you prefer. Click Add Menu Item and enter the name you want customers to see. Then click Link, choose Pages, and select the page you just created. After selecting the page, confirm the link and click Save. Now the policy page will be connected to your menu. When visitors open your store and select that menu item, they will be able to view the full policy page that you created. And that's all it takes to add store policies and legal pages on Shopify. Thank you for watching.